Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Covering the restoration on my Rover P6. I haven't uploaded anything for a little while, mainly because the weather's been so bad. We're over here today. It's dry but a bit chilly, but I can handle the cold, but the wet is just a nightmare around here. But anyway, I have done a little bit since I last uploaded, so I'll show you that, and then I'm going to do a bit more today. Also, I'd like to thank Rover Explorer on his YouTube channel, on his Rover, for giving me a bit of a shout out. I see a few more people have now started following me, so if you're watching, thank you. Alright, let's have a look. Right, since the last episode, I don't know if you can see, but I've plug welded in the channel that the door sill rubber sits in, because that was all rotten and it was in the way for repairing this pillar. So yeah, I've done that, and I should take you. Actually, I'll show you this because I need to repair this. It's quite strange because this side, the channel where the rubber sits, is still sort of in place, but I'll show you around the other side in a minute, where that one, the channel was completely fell off, but there's no rust behind it. Very strange. Right, yeah, like I was saying, the channel for the rubber on this side, I haven't cut it off. It was kind of already gone and fell off, so we've got to make that up as well, which is going to be fun, as you can only buy straight pieces. The piece on the other side that I fitted at the top was actually off of the remains of the white roof I had, so obviously this bend was a lot easier, which I'll be doing the same here. But as you can see, I've replaced the gutter rail this side now. It's hard to show you it in any detail really. As you can see, it's all good now. Just need some etch prime on it now, and then that'll be okay. Well, yeah, I still need to cut this piece out, which I think I'm going to cut this out from the white roof bit as well, because I've still got that edge which is in good condition. I've cut all of this out and cleaned it up, so today's task is to make a piece up for that. Cut some of this out where it's rotten here, you can see, and get that rebuilt. I also need to cut a piece out from the inside as well, but I'm not going to cut that out until I've done the other side, because I want to get some strength back in it. I don't think it would move, but I don't want to take the chance. Right, okay, let's do it. Right, so I've cut a couple of bits now. I might have too much light in there. So that's a bit that I've cut out of the old white roof. So I've just got to stitch that in now, and I've just made a little bit to cut in there. And stitch them bits in, and then give that a clean up, and then I'm going to make the big angle piece to go down the pillar. So there's another bit of grinding done. Not quite sure what you can see. You can see I'll put that bit in there now. Cut the rusty bit out of there. It's all welded in nice and solid now. There's a little kind of rust hole on the inside of the pillar, so I'll ground that out. Put a bit of brass behind it. I've welded that hole up now. I was going to cut it out and weld a piece in, but I decided to do it that way instead. Right, anyway, I'll go away now and cut a piece for that, and then I'll be back. Right, so I've now done the first part on the pillar, as it's in two sections like it would have been originally. Well, obviously I've only repaired it. Is that better? It's hard to see, but hopefully you can get the idea. There's a step in here, well, you know, a joggled edge there, as it would have been originally. So now I've just got to cut an angled piece, or cut a piece and then put a bend in it, and plug weld it along here, along there. Most of it will be plug welded in, but yeah, so far so good. I didn't have to go down so far on the other side because the joggled edge was still on the original piece, but where there's more rot on this side in that particular area, I've had to do it slightly differently. But another little bit in, and yeah, one less bit to do. Right, so back again. This is all prepped now, ready, all weld through primer, all the way up, down on the step bit, and I've cut the panel now, which if I show you, that's sitting over here. I've just put some weld through primer on it, so I'm just waiting for that to dry, and then I'm gonna stitch that bit in. Do all the plug welds on it. Right, back in a minute. Right, so they're all clamped up to the last bit. Yeah, so I'm just going to plug weld it all in now. I don't know how much you can see. You can zoom in maybe a little bit. I spent my head being away, and if it is, I apologise, but right, let's get this done. going to run a bit of weld through primer down this edge because I've still got to put this trim strip, what, I don't know, whatever you call it, holds the door rubbers in. Obviously that's straight and that's bent, but I'm going to use the bit off the white roof round to here. It's only when I get down the bottom that I'm going to have to cut it and try and shape it. I'm just going to cover all on it. Anything on there is better than nothing. Right, so I'm going to let that dry, and then so I'm going to let that dry, and then while I'm drilling out the spot welds, holding on the door rubber retainer off of the white roof bit. I'm not going to film that, pretty boring. I'll show you it when it's off. As I've just cut this out of the old white roof, as you can see, just drilled all the spot welds out. The edges on this one's pretty good, and then them other bits are quite expensive, so the more I can salvage the better really. Yeah, so what I'll do now, put that bit up in there. Hindsight's a wonderful thing because I would have took it all off many years ago when I stripped the other one, but there you go, I didn't realise. Anyway, I'm going to clamp that in place and then do a bit more welding. Alright, all cleaned up now. Weld through primer painted behind it. Yeah, so weld that bit on. I've also done the straight bit that goes straight down there as well, new bit. So once I've got that bit on, hopefully the other bit will be dry enough by then to plug that bit in as well. Right. So that's all ground back now. Chuck some extra primer over it. Chuck some extra primer over this as well, actually. that's all in extra primer now. Pretty much about it today, really. Gonna, what's the name of that bloody primer? Epoxy, that's it, yeah. I'm gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna put some epoxy primer on it, which will obviously seal it in a bit better. I'm not going to do the bottom part of the I'm not going to do the bottom part of the door sill retainer because I've got some welding to do down near the bottom, so we'll do that when we get down there in case I need to cut it back out again. But there's no point in doing it at this stage. But I think that's not a bad day's work, that, really, to be fair. With both of the pillars done now, all the roof work's done. So next thing really is to get up in the air and then start on the floor. Yeah, talking of the floor, let's have a look, shall we? Right, get a light. So as you can see, there's some nasty bits in the floor. Let's pan back out a bit. Unit seals a bit tender down near the bottom where it joins the floor, and also the floor pan is like crusty. It's got like a patch on a patch on a patch from underneath, so I'm going to dig around and dig out what's rotten, and well, and dig out the bad repairs from underneath as well, and get rid of all of like about 3 or 4 thicknesses. And once that's done, then it should last a lot longer. But it'll be worth it when it's done. Like I say, this is all done now, so I'm more than happy for today's work. Yeah, can't see now. Yeah, and the seal's pretty much the same on the other side as well, the inner seal. The actual outer ones don't look quite so bad, but I'm going to have to cut into them to repair the inner, I think. Then we've got some bits down here to do, bits under the arches, bits under the front arches. A lot of it's going to be welding, but I also picked these up as well, like SDI Rover wheels, 14-inch same, but that's going to be more for once it's been done. Also got another set of carpet, well, not another set, but I've ordered a carpet set. What else have we got? Another set of seats. So the interior, quite a good interior, not leather but cloth, but I don't know, leather's hot in the summer and cold in the winter anyway, so I don't really mind anyway. Probably going to vinyl roof it as well. I got these the other day as well for the rear pillars. This is the one that I got rotten. I won't pull them all out of the bag, but or shall I? Yeah, let's take it out of the bag. Yeah, these, they weren't cheap, but brand new. Never been on a car. Just need to try and match the vinyl from this for the roof. So if anyone's got any ideas where I could get the same, try and have a close up so you can see what it's like. I'm not sure, because I think there's more than one type. Someone will probably know. Some of the vinyl is coarser than others, depending on the year. I'm not sure. I think this is coarse. I'm not sure. If you can see it, then in the comments below, let me know. Right, okay. Right, well, I'm not going to film me epoxy priming that, because there's really not much point, is there? But I hope you've enjoyed watching, and I hope you come back. And all I can say is thanks for watching. Right, catch you later. I'll try not to be so long next time. Right, ta-da, bye.